Hello, today I'll be making mini chicken pies. If you're visiting our channel for the first time and would like to see more recipes, please like and subscribe. In a large skillet, add half of your butter, so 1/4 of a stick, garlic, carrots, onion, and celery. We use a lot of celery in our dishes because they have anti-inflammatory properties. However, if you don't like celery, add a vegetable that you like and make this dish your own. Saute your vegetables until they're partially soft, then make a space in the center of your pan. Add the remaining butter. Once melted, add your chicken and continue to saute. Now you can go ahead and mix in half of your herbs and spices. Once chicken is cooked, add peas, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, your 1/2 cup of milk, cream cheese, and then fold your ingredients together. Now you can add in your remaining herbs and spices. At the last minute, we decided we wanted to put some mushrooms in, so of course that part is optional. For our mini pies, we didn't have a cookie cutter or any type of cutter, so we just used a glass to make our mini pie shells. Place your pie base on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet or pan. Spoon your mixture in the middle, then place pie shell on top using a fork to seal your edges. Next, I used an egg wash to bronze and seal our pies. So these went into the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. However, if you're using a different crust, you want to follow their cooking instructions. This recipe makes between 18 to 22 mini pies. We made 9 mini pies for this video, and as you can see, we made one big pie as well. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching.